This is a final video to fix the grainy screen issue on your Xbox ROG Ally X. And if you've been struggling with blurry or fuzzy visuals, you're not alone. Many users see this problem because the default display settings don't always match the game or app resolution, and sometimes outdated drivers make the screen look grainy. You've probably seen other solutions on YouTube or social media, but they are long, confusing, and full of steps that don't always work. Today on Rexist, I'll show you a simple trick that fixes it in seconds by adjusting the display scaling and refresh rate perfectly for your device. Just follow these easy settings, and your screen will look crisp and clear instantly. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial, drop a comment, and I'll make it for you.